Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Without a clear documented plan, it's easy to fall short of energy goals, overlook regulations, or miss key maintenance needs. This can lead to compliance risk, inefficient operations, and missed opportunities for performance optimization. Dashpivot can help you simplify the solar planning process by maintaining data accuracy, streamlining reporting, and enabling easy tracking of all documentation. Let's have a look at how this works. In Dashpivot, you can create a solar panel plan template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's search at the top here for solar panel, and as you can see, there are two templates available, one for the inspection and one for the maintenance. You can preview any of these formats before adding them into your workspace, and keep in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. Now that I've added the templates, you can start filling out the digital forms. Let's just look at the inspection as an example. Our standard inspection and maintenance template includes fields such as text for various information, date fields, some drop-down lists for identification and the type of panel, and various pre-filled tables as the checklist where you can select pass, fail, or not applicable status, as well as add photos and any additional comments. Towards the end, we then have some final questions with hidden logic so that you can input more information when a certain answer is selected, and the final sign-off for the inspector. Once saved, the form will be shown in a timeline view sorted by the creation date like this. All inspections and maintenance forms are then automatically compiled into a register, where all information or fields within the forms are laid out in a table format like this. There are filters available at the top for you to narrow down for specific forms, and then you can export these data as CSV or as PDF files. Photos are vital in solar panel inspection or maintenance because they provide a visual record of the site conditions, panel installations, and any activities. They can be found in the Photos tab within your team folders or within your forms. Photo tags can then be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS location can also be captured when photos are taken through the mobile app, which will be displayed as a map on the left-hand side here. Should you need to update the template format or the checklist questions, you can do this via editing template. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format the template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different types of fields available for you to choose from, and you can rearrange any of the fields as you need. Conditional logic can also be applied to fields like yes/no questions and lists to display more field depending on the answer selected, as you saw earlier, and as you can see for this specific field here. Forms can be created and completed using mobile or tablet for easy access. On mobile, the forms are organized just like on the web access. You can continue working on any of the existing forms or create a new one using that plus button. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can choose to upload images from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, they can be marked up to highlight details or annotate the images. If you have created tags, they can also be applied during this step, as well as the worded description for easy searching and filtering later on. Any drawings or PDF files attached to the form can also be marked up on the app. This is useful for signing, highlighting, or annotating specific parts of the documents. Once completed, and if you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't have to go back to your computer to export it. Instead, you can do this directly from the app using the Send as PDF via an email here. By doing this, the images as well as any PDF files attached will also be sent through. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this entire process even more accessible for all personnel involved, whether they're out in the field or in the office. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as Excel, SharePoint, Power BI, etc. using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your data from Dashpivot to your preferred data analytics or any other tools. You can try Dashpivot for solar panel planning today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching.